So I think I will be uploading this video after Christmas, and so I will have opened my last Phoebe and Mercy advent calendar, and I have been thinking about doing the northeasterly blanket with it. Obviously it's not going to be enough for the whole blanket, but one kind viewer has gifted me this pattern and I have been wanting to make this. This is what it looks like, and it's in my books app on my iPad and on my phone. This is actually a tip or a trick that my friend Lydia has taught me, that I can put all my patterns into this book app and save them there, and then I have categorized them into sweaters, cardigans, baby and kids, accessories, socks, camisoles and tees, vests, skirts and dresses, sewing, home, crochet, and plans. Plans is basically something where patterns that are already categorized in the other categories are rounded up again, so things that I want to be doing within the next couple of months. So stuff like the Lana vest, the Cumulus blouse, the chestnut sweater, the balaclava number 1, the Aosta cushion, and yeah. Hey y'all, I feel like I look so swollen, and I swear I tried to, or I wanted to film about 3 hours ago already, but I didn't because I got stuck in a project. And this is the part where I really don't like DPNs. See, I even lost one right now. Sorry, I sound a bit croaky. I have just had an evening of knitting and watching YouTube. And when I came home, I was like, right, I'm gonna take one of my whips and I'm gonna make it a finished object tonight. And I decided on my hipster hat, my Macross hipster hat. And yeah, this time around I did it with DPNs. It's obviously fine now. I have so little stitches at the end, it's a bit tedious. I did it on I think this is a 60, yeah, so this is a 35 centimeter cord with 13 centimeter tips, like needles. So this makes around about a 60 centimeter needle, round needle, yeah. Excuse me. And yeah, so I'm gonna get this finished. I wanted to come on here and say, hi, I've not been filming again this week. It's only Tuesday, but yeah, I would love to have some time off between the years and just knit. But I also don't want to come across as like complaining all the time. Like, no one wants to watch that. No one wants Vlogmas to be just a person complaining about it. But honestly, I didn't want Vlogmas. If it's my Vlogmas, it's gonna be about my pre-Christmas period. Like, I want to know what your guys' traditions are, and like, feel free to maybe share in the comments like what thing about the holiday season, no matter if you're like celebrating honestly or how you celebrate it, like what is the thing that gives you energy, because like I feel so many things can feel quite draining this time of the year, and I'm not sure, like I'm searching for for sources of energy right now. So yeah, one source of energy I thought would be to have a finished object, and again I lost that DPN, but I'll put it back in, and I think this is gonna give me what I'm looking for. Honestly, I'm gonna put it into the water, block it overnight, maybe even put it on like a radiator overnight, not sure, and I can wear it tomorrow. Like the idea of having a new green hat to wear to work in the morning is like giving me life right now. So I'm sorry, I'm never looking into the camera because it's on the side of my phone. Like if I'm in selfie mode and if I'm talking to myself, at least I want to look at myself. I'm currently watching the Woolly Workers' new knitting podcast. I don't know if you've seen my Instagram stories, but I had like maybe like 30 videos I hadn't even watched before. Honestly, I don't get to them right now. I'm watching like 3-4 people's vlogmas, and then there's the regular content going up. So I feel really blessed with knitting content right now, but also a tad bit overwhelmed. So I thought, okay, last vlogmas video of the year, let's change it up again. I'm gonna try and be less perfectionist. I'll try and be less perfectionist about this. If it doesn't look super aesthetic, that's okay. Let's keep it real without complaining too much. And honestly, my plans are going really well. But yeah, I'll try to maybe film more in the morning. I'll show you the hat when it's finished. Net sole in stash left over from my cardigan number 7. I look forward to wearing this tomorrow morning, going to work. So yeah, I'm gonna block it still. I like how wool feels after washing, although I have realized that the Rockies DK is not my favorite base in the world. Obviously, I love exploring knits and fibers, dyeing techniques and like colors, but if I get to go to Vlog, for example, or order from them again in the future, I will try out their worsted Carlsbad worsted, and with the Leave No Trace, I did order some Surrey. So we'll see. Maybe that'll fit to my outfit. And I'm gonna brush my teeth and go to bed now because it's, yeah, already past 10 and I'm tired and I'm stuffed up here. My sinuses are like, why are you not asleep yet? We gotta recover, girl. So yeah, good night from me and my little new hat.
Struggling to think about all these simple plans. My large and heavy life lies in the tiny hand, and still I don't know how she carries it all. When time is just a tide, I'm way too deep inside. It pulls me in a chamber and turns off all the lights. Life is a gift and we all have to decide, but still I don't know how she managed it to get here. Still on my mind, though I was never such a thinker. Everything I say and everything I do is for her.
So I suppose we suck at opening advents. This is like all the days we missed. Oh well. But we did remember to put on the advent wreath, but there's been there's been loads of washing, hanging up. We hung up some new pictures. Actually, the news of today is nothing bad happened. I love that one. It's over there. And then this funny looking duck. I don't know why, but I love it, and I wanted to diversify our art wall. There's my advents that I still have to open.
I'm struggling to think about all these simple plans. My large and heavy life lies in your tiny hands, and still I don't know how she carries it home, and still I don't know how she
just on our way to get the groceries for Christmas. It's the 22nd. This is my last working day, but I'm in the home office today. I did oversleep, like sleep in a bit today. I still feel groggy. It's like it's not going away, and it's bugging me that I'm still not back like with all my energy yet. But yeah, I'm gonna start later today with the home office, since it doesn't really matter if I start at 9, 10 or 11, as long as I get my hours in and my work in. It doesn't really matter. So we're going to go food shop first thing this morning. I'm working on a headband now. I'm not sure if this was the right color choice, but I thought I had so much brown stuff and a brown Sophie scarf as well, which would fit really well. And I'm trying my first brioche headband. I've just recently started making my first brioche hat. But yeah, my arm's falling off, so I will check back in later. So I wanted to share a bit about being grateful for friends this winter season. Obviously, gifts are not the first and only like measurement for friendship, but I'm super appreciative of friends making me something or getting me something this wintry season. So I wanted to share that two of my friends have made me some Christmas plätzchen, which I'm so grateful for since I did not get around to bake any yet. Today is Christmas Eve for us in Germany. That means that we celebrate Christmas today. Basically, yeah, so I haven't managed, and it's like 12 o'clock, so 12 p.m. I did not manage to bake anything until now. I'm a bit frazzled today, I'm not sure why. I also wanted to share this beautiful candle and a candle stand, which was, maybe you can see like that. It was handmade like by a ceramicist here in Marburg, and my friend Marla got it for me. She also made me a little stitch marker herself, which was so cute. You might have seen it, and it's in my Halloween project. And then obviously I'm really grateful for my friend Lydia, who made me an entire advent calendar in return for the one that I gave her, which yeah, was really, really generous and like thought out, and I like the colors, and it was nice to just like swap and trade. And I'm thinking of another blanket project that I could do with that. So yeah, I'm gonna have a Plätzchen now, which basically means Christmas cookie in German. And I'm gonna go back to bed and knit some before my mom and my brother arrive here, because I don't know why, but my anxiety has been pretty stupid high today. I've just been thinking a lot about things that have not gone right this year, and things that have made me really sad. And I don't know why I'm crying now, but yeah, that is especially a moment in which I think it is a great opportunity to be grateful for the stuff, for the people, for the kindness that is actually in your life, and not so much people that are no longer. I've also received some incredibly kind Christmas cards from people all over the world, which I'm like, this community is awesome. I've met a couple of super lovely people at Barcelona Knits, and some of them have created a little Christmas card exchange, and now I feel pretty bad for not also getting them some, but I will next year. I love Christmas cards, but this year I was just pretty overwhelmed with everything else around the holidays, and so I didn't manage. But yeah, I hope you did enjoy this vlogmas. I'm sorry I got emotional there back at the end. I hope you enjoyed what I was filming, what I did manage to film. Like I said, I feel a bit frazzled. I should probably, I don't know. I'm in my Christmas pajamas. I've just made another loaf of bread, which I think turned out really nicely. Let me show you. I'm like a proud mummy. It has an ear, but it hasn't risen immensely. It turned out better than the one I made yesterday, which is just, I forgot to put some more flour on it, but it has a nice little, you can see like the bubbles. This one's just a bit of a different loaf, but actually I'm pretty proud about both of them. I still wanted to show you these fabrics that I got at the second-hand shop and these threads that my friend got me in my advent calendar, which I can use as a backup for my already existing threads in my collection. And so I hope my sewing journey will be up and running in the new year.